Hello friends, I am Akanksha Anand. I study in class 4 in B2 School Durgapur. Today we will learn a poem of class 4 English literature book From a Railway Carriage, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. In this poem, poet shares his experience of a railway journey with us. He describes its speed very amazing. He presents natural senses seen from the window of a railway carriage. Let's start. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle. All through the meadows, the horses and cattle. In these lines, poet says that the train runs more quickly than the ferries can fly and the witches can move. When train advances forward, it seems as the soldiers are attacking enemy in a battlefield. The train rushes on leaving bridges, houses, fences, and ditches behind. It also leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. All of the sides of the hill and plain fly as the thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. In these lines, poet says that all the scenes of hill and plain were being crossed by train. As quick as one drop of rain follows another drop in a storm. Again and again, in a very short moment, train was crossing stations with a whistle from the window of compartment of train. Buildings of stations were seemed as painted pictures. Here is a child who clambles and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is green for stringing the daisies. In these lines, poet says that from the window of the compartment of train he sees a child climbing a steep ground by himself with difficulty. The child was also gathering blackberries during climbing. Poet sees a homeless person who was looking train with amazement. He also sees some ladies in a common village grassy land. They were making garlands of daisy flowers. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. In these lines, poet says that he sees a cart moving slowly in the middle of a highway. It was full of load, and the cart driver was sitting on the top of the load. He seems a water mill and river while traveling in the train. All these objects appeared and disappeared so quickly that the poet looked at them for very brief time, and they can never be seen again. Thanks for watching.